Hi guys, Doug here from Various Engineering. I'm just going to go through a quick install video for a exhaust cutout cover if you've got a single exit exhaust for our VB Subaru WRX. This is what's included in the kit. So we have our exhaust cutout cover, we have three fitting clips, and we have a warning label warning you that these clips are very sharp, so just be extra careful not to get them stuck in your finger because it will hurt, but I'm sure if you're paying due diligence that won't happen anyway. So this job is so easy, you can do it on the floor. So you're going to take your cutout cover, put it in place. I've got one clip here and I'm going to put it on the inside. I'll show you where in a second. You want to get it absolutely flush with the bumper here on the bottom. If you've got a dominant hand like I do, you might have to swap over. There we go. And then we're going to put one on the outside. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like from underneath. So as you can see, I've got two of the clips on the left hand side, so that's like the inner side of the car, and one on the outside. So there you go guys, it really is as simple as that. It takes about 1 minute to install, maybe less if you're trying really hard, but I think it makes a massive difference if you've got a single exit exhaust. We do offer them for both sides, so don't worry if your exhaust exits on the driver's side because we've got you covered. I personally think it looks OEM, that's how good the finish is, and if you've been following this watch along and been doing it yourself, congratulations on installing it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at sales@various-engineering.com. Check out our other products. We've got loads for the VB WRX and obviously other cars, as you can see behind me. And I'll see you in the next video. Well done guys.